Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting our video. In this video, we will discuss a strategy that you can use to teach reading skills. The strategy that we will discuss is the 3-2-1 strategy. So, let's start the discussion. Enjoy watching. The 3-2-1 strategy is a reading strategy that requires students' participation on summarizing ideas from the text, encourage them to think independently, and invite them to engage with the text. This strategy consists of three components. These components require students to summarize three important ideas from the text, find out two interesting things from the text, and formulate a question about the text. So, the 3-2-1 strategy can provide clear guidance for students about what aspects should be given attention by them when reading a text.
Okay, next, advantages. The first is increase students' participation and engagement in reading comprehension activities. 2. Help students to be more concentrated on the text being read. 3. Guide students to get a better understanding of the information contained in the text which they read. And the last is develop students' critical thinking about the text.
Okay, the next is disadvantage. There are four disadvantages of 3-2-1 strategies. The first one is students enjoy learning, but some of them feel nervous and shy. The second one is several other students had difficult feeling in the 3-2-1 chart. The third one is students have difficult in summarizing ideas from the text. The fourth or the last one is students also have problems with vocabulary, which make it difficult for them to understand the teacher's lessons and instruction.
Well, next is what the teacher should do. In pre-reading, the teacher begins learning by asking students to build on their previous knowledge of the text to be used. Then, the teacher shows the students a 3-2-1 chart to summarize their reading. The teacher gives a model on the blackboard how to complete the chart. While reading, the teachers distribute their reading text. Next, the teacher asks students to read the text either by reading aloud or reading silently. Students read the text aloud to improve pronunciation, intonation, and reading pressure. Then, students read the text silently to respond to the meaning of the text for understanding. After reading, the teacher gives students a 3-2-1 chart and asks them to complete the chart. Students can discuss in their pairs. Next, the teacher divides students into several groups. After completing the graphs in group work, students should share their discussion with other groups and with the whole class. Finally, in post-reading, the teacher asks students to summarize the reading orally and answer a reading comprehension test. At the end of the activity, the teacher asks students to recall what they learned through reflection activities.
Next is steps for students. There are 3 steps for students. The first one is the students must discover 3 items in the text that he or she read. The students are required to actively read the text and summarize and cite 3 different major points or details or ideas. This is an effective way for reading teachers to tackle the problem of passive participation from students. The second one is, the students are asked to share 2 of 3 interesting items that they have identified. This step seems to limit the students to 2 items, while the items can be more than that. The last one, or the third, is the students write 1 question that they have in their mind after reading the text. Students can ask factual questions, clarify their understanding of sequence of events, and verify their general understanding of the reading.
Hi guys, in this part, I will tell you that there are 2 tools you can use in 3-to-1 strategy. First, reading text. Providing reading text aims to determine students' abilities and skills in analyzing information in the text. Teachers can use different reading texts, such as report text, descriptive text, and the story text to students as material for analysis. The second is the observation sheet. This is intended for students to be able to write the results of the 3-to-1 strategy. The stage carried out by students to fill in the observation sheet based on 3-to-1 strategy are: Stage 3, students write down what they learned while reading. Stage 2, students write interesting facts from the text. And Stage 1, students write down their questions related to the reading text. On the other hand, teachers can provide more structure with this template. Okay guys, that was our explanation about the 3-to-1 strategy. We hope you can get it, and thank you for watching our video. See you!